Welcome to the class. Let's start one word a day.
If you're looking to expand your English vocabulary in a simple and fun way, you're in the right place. Every day, we'll introduce a new word, break down its meaning, and show you how to use it in real-life examples. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, learning just one word a day will help you grow your vocabulary and speak with confidence. Hit subscribe and let's start building your English one word at a time. Let's take a closer look at the word siren and break it down so you can learn the pronunciation, meaning, and how to remember it more easily. Pronunciation of siren. Siren can break it down into two parts: sigh, like when you're exhaling deeply, and ren, rhyming with 10. Siren. It's siren, with the emphasis on the first syllable, and siren. Provide the siren. Meaning and usage. A loud warning device, like on an ambulance, police car, or fire truck. A siren in this sense is a loud sound designed to warn people of danger, or to alert them that something important is happening. The police car's siren could be heard from far away, signaling that it was rushing to an emergency. When the tornado siren went off, everyone in the neighborhood rushed to safety. How to remember. You can think of a siren like an alarm, which is used to get people's attention in emergencies. The loud, piercing sound of a siren is meant to make you aware of danger and respond quickly. So whenever you hear a siren, it's a signal to act quickly or get to safety. Visualizing and remembering the word siren. To make it easier to remember the word siren, you can picture Lee's a line, alarming sound, like the siren of an ambulance or police car. It's a loud, urgent noise meant to warn and grab attention. Human reacher. A siren is a half-human, half-animal being with a beautiful, dangerous song. Think of how a siren lures sailors into danger. Once quick tips to remember. Siren. Siren sounds similar to the word signal. Both are meant to grab your attention and warn you about something important. Summary. Ren, emphasis on SI, a loud warning sound. Remember siren memory, think of as both a warning and dangerous cripe. With practice, you'll remember this word and its meanings more easily. You can also try to listen for sirens in the world around you, like on an ambulance or fire truck, or even think of stories or movies that mention sirens.
Meow.
Did you enjoy class? Tap that like button, subscribe, and come learn with me every day.